Oh, bless up on this day here, Wednesday, 12th of November 2025. I'm cooking up some soup in a small pot right now. Pot a bubble up, my fan. See? Pot a bubble up, man. Some soup, some peel all breadfruit and leave back piece here, my fans. Bless up and bless up to all of the subscribers, man. Wherever you are from in this world, man. We give thanks, man, to all subscribers. One love, man. Getting so close to Christmas in Jamaica, but Jamaica this Christmas gonna be different for most Jamaicans due to the hurricane, man. This bad monstrous hurricane, you know. Most of them rural places without power, no electricity. Yeah, the thunder rolling up there. Might get some rain in the evening here. Jamaica, sorry, the one cut to that sorry tree there. The one that well fit. Yeah, these are the good black soil, my fans. Yeah, me know Tetia know this soil, you know. Cecilia know you have this soil in Florida. Big up all of the fans, man. Wherever you'll be watching this video from, you know. What mango go blossom again? Whatever time it touch, yes, November now. Oh, it's mango blossom I put out, man. A lot of blossom I put out already. While me cooking soup, me dandelion, look how that with Jamaica still no things can come up back quick after this storm, look there. Because we're in a tropical country, you know. Yes, lots of people them say giving stuff to Jamaica, but we ain't see anything as yet. No, we're not gonna get nothing. All of them things that you say them sending to Jamaica. Nothing for us in this side of the country. That's why I always like to work for myself and try if you have things, you know, for myself. It's a short video where I cook my soup, my fans, you know, it go because we don't have power. Most of we place now have no power, so we have to save back for a little battery. Bless up and more blessing. Kojak said that.